Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can see someone Instagram story without letting them know. It means you can watch Instagram story of someone in private or anonymously. So let's get started. I'll tell you how to do. First of all, open up Instagram and assume that I want to see second story, which is its cameraman. So I just want to see its cameraman story without letting him know. So you just have to tap on previous one or next one. So I'm just tapping on previous one. Now you just have to half swipe. After half swiping, now you will be able to see here is ad. Okay, so just half swipe it. Now you can see you just have to hold it. So after completely seeing the story, you can just go back and back. And in this way, you have not registered as viewer. So this is first method, and there are many multiple ways. The second way is you just have to turn on the airplane mode. After turning on airplane mode, now you have to just open up the story which you want to see anonymously. Tap on the story. Now you can see all the stories. After watching all the stories, now you have to just remove it from the history. After removing it from the history, now you are still not registered as a viewer in the Instagram. You can also see Instagram stories of someone is by creating a new account. So first of all, open up Instagram, tap on your profile. Now tap on the top right corner of option button and tap on settings. Just scroll down and tap on add account. Just tap on create a new account. Now you have to just provide a necessary information of like username and a little bit information, and you will be able to create a new account, and you will be able to see someone's Instagram story as anonymous or privately or without letting them know who you are. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.